Welcome in this new video. 12th science students, subject chemistry, topic chemical kinetics. From this video, student, we are going to learn an elementary reactions and molecularity of reaction. Video presented by Mr. R.G. Tavre, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Let's study elementary reaction and complex reaction. Student, depend on the number of steps involved in the reaction. Reactions are classified into complex reaction and an elementary reaction. First, complex reaction. Those reactions which take place in series of steps called complex reaction. That is, complex reaction consists of number of steps. ज्या रिएक्शन एकापेक्षा अधिक स्टेप्स मध्ये होतात त्या रिएक्शनला कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन असे म्हणतात. And then let's study elementary reaction. Those reactions which take place in a single step cannot be divided into further simpler reaction. Complex reaction, that is, it take place in series of steps, whereas an elementary reaction take place in a single step cannot be divided into further simpler reaction. By adding all the elementary steps, a complex reaction we get, that is overall reaction called complex reaction, and each step involved in that is called an elementary reaction. ज्या रिएक्शन फक्त एका स्टेप्स मध्ये होतात त्या रिएक्शनला एलिमेंट रिएक्शन असे म्हणतात. दॅट इज टेक प्लेस इन अ सिंगल स्टेप. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, decomposition of ozone, that is take place in a single step, forming molecular oxygen and atomic oxygen. Here, in an elementary reaction, one or more chemical species react to form a product in a single step. एकापेक्षा अधिक, आता इथं एक आहे पण एकापेक्षा अधिक रिएक्टंट मॉलिक्यूल इन्व्हॉल्व होतात, रिएक्ट होतात पण एका स्टेप मध्ये ते प्रोडक्ट देतात. दॅट इज an elementary reaction take place in a single steps. Now, molecularity of reaction. Let's study the term which is applied to only elementary reaction, that is molecularity of reaction. It is defined as, that is the molecularity of reaction of an elementary reaction is defined as the number of reactant molecules taking part in a chemical reaction. How much number of molecule involved in an elementary reaction that define the molecularity of reaction depend upon the number involved. That is, the molecularity is classified into unimolecular reaction, bimolecular reaction, trimolecular reaction, and so on. But student, the higher molecularity is rare since the probability of simultaneous collisions between more molecules is very low. 3 पेक्षा अधिक मोलिक्युलरिटी असण्याची शक्यता अत्यंत रेअर आहे. जनरली युनिमोलिक्युलर, बायमोलिक्युलर किंवा ट्रायमोलिक्युलर रिएक्शन्स असतात. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी डिटेल्स ऑफ दैट स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट वन, unimolecular reaction. It is, as the name suggests, in this only one reactant molecule take part in the reaction. या रिएक्शन मध्ये फक्त सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल इन्व्हॉल्व होतो, that is unimolecular. For example, decomposition of N2O5 gas in single step gives 2NO2 plus half oxygen molecule. Here only a single N2O5 molecule is involved, so this is unimolecular reaction. The rate law expression for this reaction is rate is equal to K into concentration of N2O5 raised to 1. This is unimolecular reaction. As one reactant molecule is involved, the order and molecularity of an elementary reaction are same. Elementary reaction ची molecularity तीच त्या reaction ची order असणार आहे. And this is only applied to elementary reaction, not applied to complex reaction. So student, this is unimolecular reaction and first order reaction. Elementary reaction ची molecularity हीच त्याची ऑर्डर असणार आहे. Molecularity 1 आहे, that is unimolecular. So order first order reaction. Let's study second, that is bimolecular reaction. In this bimolecular, that is two reactant molecule take part in the reaction. या रिएक्शन मध्ये दोन मॉलिक्यूल इन्व्हॉल्व होतात, म्हणून याला बायमॉलिक्युलर रिएक्शन म्हणतात. रिएक्शन म्हणजे एलिमेंटरी रिएक्शन मध्ये, that is ozone gas react with one atomic oxygen, that is two molecule are involved forming two oxygen molecule, one ozone plus one atomic oxygen, that is two molecular are involved. So this is bimolecular. The rate law expression for this reaction is rate is equal to K into concentration of ozone raised to 1 into concentration of oxygen raised to 1. This is bimolecular reaction as two reactant molecule is involved. As you know, the order and molecularity of an elementary reaction are same. This is bimolecular and second order reaction. Third, trimolecular reaction. As the name suggests, three molecules are involved. That is, in this, three reactant molecule take part in the reaction. For example, two nitrogen monoxide gaseous molecule react with atomic oxygen forming two nitrogen dioxide gaseous molecule. The rate law expression for this reaction is rate is equal to K concentration of NO raised to 2 into concentration of atomic oxygen raised to 1. This is trimolecular reaction as three molecules are involved. The order and molecularity of an elementary reaction are same. This is trimolecular and third order reaction. Now student, let's study characteristic of molecularity of reaction. First, the molecularity of an reaction is always integral. It cannot be experimentally determined. Order जसं experimentally determine केली जाते, तसे त्यासाठी molecularity determine करण्यासाठी experimental determination एक्सपेरिमेंट करण्याची काही गरज नाहीये. Just looking the stoichiometric coefficient of an elementary reaction, we can write the molecularity. Third, the minimum value of molecularity is 1. ती रिएक्शन एलिमेंटरी रिएक्शन प्रोसीड होण्यासाठी कमीत कमी एका मॉलिक्यूलची गरज असणार आहे. सो द मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ मॉलिक्युलॅरिटी इज 1. It cannot have fractional or zero values. Fourth characteristic, that is, it cannot have fractional or zero values. ऑर्डर ह्या फ्रॅक्शनल किंवा झिरो असू शकतात किंवा कधी कधी निगेटिव्ह असतात, पण मॉलिक्युलॅरिटी इज ऑलवेज इंटिग्रल. इट कॅन नॉट हॅव फ्रॅक्शनल और zero values. Fifth one, molecularity of an elementary reaction and order of reaction are same. आपण unimolecular, bimolecular, trimolecular स्टडी करत असताना आपण बघितलं की मॉलिक्युलरिटी ऑफ एन एलिमेंटरी रिॲक्शन हीच त्या रिॲक्शनची ऑर्डर असणार आहे. बट दिस इज नॉट अप्लाइड टू कॉम्प्लेक्स रिॲक्शन. कॉम्प्लेक्स रिॲक्शनची मॉलिक्युलॅरिटी हीच त्याची ऑर्डर असेल असं नाही. बट molecularity of elementary reaction and the order of the reaction are same. Sixth characteristic of molecularity, that is, it is theoretical property. We cannot be determined experimentally molecularity. It just indicate the number of molecules of reactant in each step of the reaction. So it does not require experimental determination. It's just a theoretical property. And seventh characteristic, rate law does not describe molecularity. There is no relation between rate and molecularity. So for the determination of value of molecularity, there is no need to write the rate law. Rate law does not describe molecularity. Student, in the last lecture we studied order, characteristic of order of reaction. Now we study characteristic of molecularity of reaction. Let's study the difference between order and molecularity. First, it is for that of order definition, it is the sum of exponent to which the concentration terms in the rate law are raised. For that of molecularity definition, it is the number of molecules of reactant taking part in elementary reaction. Second difference point of order and molecularity. Second, it is experimentally determined value. Order is experimentally determined value, but molecularity of the reaction is strictly theoretical property. Molecularity, it is theoretical property. Third differential point between order and molecularity. For order, it may have value which are integer, fractional or zero, but molecularity, it is always an integer. Molecularity ही फक्त इंटिजरच असणार आहे. It not fractional or zero. For that of order, it is the property of elementary and complex reaction. ऑर्डर ही जी कन्सेप्ट आहे ती एलिमेंटरी रिॲक्शन ॲज वेल ॲज कॉम्प्लेक्स रिॲक्शनसाठी अप्लाइड केली जाते. कॉम्प्लेक्स रिॲक्शनची मॉलिक्युलॅरिटी हीच त्याची ऑर्डर असेल असं नाही, आणि एलिमेंटरी रिॲक्शनची मॉलिक्युलॅरिटी हीच त्याची ऑर्डर असणार आहे, हे आपण बघितलेलं आहे. पण मॉलिक्युलॅरिटी ही जी टर्म आहे, इट इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एलिमेंटरी रिॲक्शन्स ओनली. द term molecularity is applied to only an elementary reaction. Molecularity of complex reaction not defined. Complex reaction मध्ये आपण molecularity ही डिफाइन करू शकत नाही, फक्त elementary reaction साठी जी टर्म आहे. पण ऑर्डर ही कॉम्प्लेक्स आणि elementary reaction साठी अप्लाय केली जाते. फिफ्थ वन, student, you know there is a direct relation between rate and order of reaction, and for determination of order it requires rate law. That is fifth differential point that is important. It is rate law expression describe the order of the reaction. For the determination of order of the reaction, you have to first carried out experiment, carried out the effect of change of concentration on the rate of reaction, write rate law, and we describe the order. That is the rate law expression describe the order of reaction. But as the molecularity is strictly theoretical property, rate law does not describe the order of the reaction. That is molecularity of the reaction. मॉलिक्युलॅरिटी एक्सप्रेस करत असताना रेट लॉची गरज लागत नाही. थँक्यू.